Hello. This is part 2 of the Ember Chessboard series, I guess you could say. So yeah, working on an add-on to build a chessboard that can take a chess.js instance. Last time we were stuck on a few issues that popped up. We are using Engage to scaffold this app, so it's like alpha software. So there were a few things. So some of those were resolved. Just kind of walk through them real quick. Package JSON needed, or in the add-on itself, package JSON needed keyword, Ember add-on. I think that's an embroider issue, maybe. Might be a feature, might be a bug, I'm not sure. As well as Rollup config needed, it's had dist/source, but it just needed dist. So that was causing issues. So now it is rendering. Still not sure how to get, because there is a app folder which re-exports the component. But if I, in the app, if I do just chessboard, I get that. We basically can't find it. Does not exist. So I'm not do that. That's actually a, hold on. Oh, I wonder if, so I haven't, I didn't run watch previously, so this might be a new issue. Let's see here. Okay, chessboard package, dist app, components, chessboard.js. Chessboard. I mean, that's there. I don't see any issues with that. Oh, it lists it, but it doesn't exist. It does exist though. Oh, dist source. I think this must be something to do with maybe watch doesn't work correctly. Okay, I mean that seems to work. This is gonna be yeah, I should probably make this a little bigger. Okay. Controller. Not resolve controller. Okay, so with this chessboard, I mean, something's going on with the So I thought I had this fixed, and it was just running 2 seconds ago. Let me. I mean, these look fine. Just there's not a source in here. But if I go in here, there's not a source in here either. What's it looking for then? Oh, I wonder if I have to link it. I wonder if it got cleared or something. Let's see here. Ember, no, it's there. Let me just delete the dist folder. See if that helps, and we'll just rerun build. Okay, there's a new dist folder, and then we'll rerun start. I'm using yarn and PM at the same time, just not fully used to it yet, so you might see some of that. Yeah, so it's still could not resolve Ember Chessboard components chessboard. Oh, I wonder if it has to do with, because I added in the app, I added a watch to auto import. Maybe that's, I added that, because I started it, and then I added it, and then I restarted it, and it wasn't working, so. Let's see here. Nope, still having issues there. Let's see what it says. Weird. Chessboard components, chessboard. Chessboard. I mean, it's there. Default and app controller. Yeah, so it is there. See if I can do that. Source components, chessboard, HPS here. That's fine. There is an issue with like exports. No. Source index. Yeah, those look fine. Well, that looks right. Last time we had an extra source in here, I think. Now there's no source. That's kind of interesting. There's a source now. So if I do that, that changes. That doesn't actually change this. Interesting. Let's see if that. There it goes. That was weird. Okay. Yeah, so that looks like it's solved. Let's see here. Okay, so we'll just wrap this in div, add a class, call it Ember Chessboard. I'm a fan of single quotes just because they look less messy. Not everybody likes that though. But it is what it is. And let's see here. I'm going to do UL instead of div. Actually, yeah. Li. And okay, let's see what do we have. Let me refresh this. There we go. We have a list. So this is interesting. I think I can do this. Maybe. CSS. If I import it, I wonder if that, because I think with embroider you can do that. Quick fix. Styles, CSS. Let's see here, inspect. I'm using Arc browser. I don't know if I mentioned that or not, but I kind of forgot. Yeah, it's not. I wonder if there's some kind of plugin I have to use. So for now, just to get something going, we will put this inside of, because I actually don't know how to do this, but I do want to get somewhere real quick. There's a lot of stuff in here already. So do that. And see here, inspect. Oh, it could have been not working because I didn't save this. Hold on. Yes, that's let me comment this one out. And go back here. Put that in there. Yeah, it doesn't. But let's see if this works. Import. Oops. From. Doesn't do that. Styles. And then let's see what we get there. It says it's grid. Okay, that's an object. Call that chessboard and call that chessboard. And I just want to see if this actually works. That would be nice. No, doesn't seem to be working. I'm gonna log that. Yeah, it's just you don't actually get anything useful from that. So let me just remove this. And so we do get a grid. Yeah, so that does import. correctly. So that's good. And we'll do list style type none. Oh, that would be in the li. I always forget. It's one of those things. Where does it go? Why is it not working? It says it's. What is going on? Oh, I wonder if this has to go inside. No. Kind of. Still, that's all it has. Where does it come from? Let's see. Test. Oh. CSS loader. The source component styles. Yeah, so it is coming from this file. Interesting. Oh. It's not chessboard though, it's Ember Chessboard. Right? It's like there's a styles. Why is so there's so somehow it worked. So I think it has to be import from. And then you have to put styles on there. See if that works. Okay, that doesn't work. And then we do styles. Yes, so you have to put it on the component. Very interesting. So you have to consume it. I learned something today, so we have that. So I wonder, you can do grid, template columns, repeat, which I never remember which one, FR 8. No, I think it's that way. Let's see. Still says it's. Doesn't want to update it for some reason. I mean, it's there, but it's not here. It's very finicky for some reason. I wonder if it's the watch on the add-on. That's probably what it is. So there's a watch, Rollup watch. Is that not? Start plugins. Only CSS. Very interesting. I mean, all this stuff is so new for me. Using Rollup like directly, using Webpack, using I don't know, just like all those plugins and stuff that they have. So let's see here. Rollup config watch. This is SAS. Let's see here. Maybe there's some kind of tip. I wonder if I have to reload the actual component. Yes, so I have to save the component. So that, I guess that's a workaround for now. We don't have to figure it out. So we do have a grid now. Let's see here. We can add. We can make this as fixed width for now. And we'll do dpx here, I think, too. And aspect ratio 1, so we get a square. And then we save here, see if it reloads. There we go. And let's see, background color. Tomato. Save that. There we go. And if we do a gap, px, save here. So we have kind of a grid now. I mean, that's better than we had before. Let's see here. We'll do display flex on this. Justify content center. And align item center. What's not working? Oh, yes, that stayed on here. There we go. Okay, I think I'm going to leave it for now. We'll come back in the next episode and get chess.js in here. See if we can do some rendering. Yeah, thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.